To show off the Kia Niro EV's lane keep assist and radar cruise control system, it's going to go for a quick little drive demonstrating those two systems. To activate, every single time you've got to press this button here. That's automatically activated the radar cruise control. And the other thing we need to do is press this steering button down here, and that does lane centering. Whilst we're at a standstill here, and it's going to have a quick little, just going to show you what the heads-up display looks like. It keeps the center of the lane pretty well, and the nag factor comes actually every 30 seconds or so. Let's go jump into the freeway now. Give it a bit of kick. There we go, 100. The up and down lever on this left side, I can decrease or increase the speed by increments of 1. If I hold it, 10s. There's a slight bend coming up, so what I'll do is I'll tap my hand and just very lightly grip the wheel. I'm not going to turn it. You can see how the steering is going to actually take this corner, stay nice and centered in the lane. Decreasing by those large increments will actually see the speed wipe off pretty fast. So we'll drop to an 80 zone. Now there's a reasonable turn coming up, about 15-20 degree corner. So I'll see how it takes it. I'm ready to take control. A little bit bouncing around, right corner of the lane there. But yeah, it was fine. Nag factor again. And then one final thing we'll do to conclude this review is we'll see if it actually will disengage. Got my hands at the ready. First warning. Chiming, second warning. Third warning. And it disengaged. And can I restart radar cruise control? Let's find out. Yes, I can. So I hope you found this video informative, and if you want to see more about the Kia Niro EV or Tesla's Model Y or 3 or you name it, subscribe to my channel, check out my videos, and be good, be green.